I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing a 30-inch middle part ponytail, so it's nice and long, just the way I like it. And this hairstyle was so cute. So I'm starting off with freshly washed, blow dry, and semi flat iron hair. I know it don't look flat iron, but I just got my hair cut, so I didn't really want to get some heat damage, so I just flat ironed it a little bit and it still worked out perfectly for me. So as you can see now, I'm just applying the Murray's pomade to the roots mainly. Since it's a thicker consistency, it flattens out the roots better. And for the rest of the hair, I'm gonna use the Murray's edge wax, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do that for each section of my hair. And after I apply the product, I'm just alternating between my rat tail comb and my brush to make sure everything is evenly spread out and to make sure it all lays nice and smooth. It's really important that you use both the comb and the brush. So the comb can make sure the roots are flat, and the brush just make sure everything is nice and together. And now I'm taking my Got2b spray to spray everything in place and to make sure it's all molded together, and blow drying it on cool to lock it all in before I put it all into one low ponytail. And I know y'all see how shiny and smooth it looks, and that's because of the products I used, and like I said, because I used the comb and the brush to make sure my roots are really flat. That's the key, to have the flattest roots you can possibly get, so it'll all lay together and it'll be nice and shiny as you see in the video.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing. Made it through property on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly away. I'm in prison, straight out of trenches, my niggas can't whip me,
And now I'm wrapping the braid that I created using braiding hair with the paper wrap strips. And this is going to be the base for your glue and your bundles, so you're not gluing the bundles to your own hair. And I use the braiding hair so I can make my ponytail as long as I wanted it. So if you want it longer, then I would suggest adding hair.
I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boy, no, I can't talk to broke boy.
And it wouldn't be me if I didn't stab myself with some scissors, right? And now for the fun part. I'm putting glue on the weft of the bundle, and I'm attaching that to the paper wrap strip around the braid, and I'm just wrapping it around and applying glue each time. It's better if you just watch it rather than me explain it, but I'm doing my best. So I'm gonna just apply glue each time and wrap it around until you work your way all the way up the braid. And after a while, I just figured I would apply the glue to the actual wrap strip and braid as opposed to applying it to the weft each time, because it covered more ground and it was a faster process. So you'll see me switch to just putting the glue on the paper strip, and this is why it's really important to make sure all your hair is covered so you won't get any glue on your own hair. And honestly, that worked better for me, and it was a quicker process, and you'll see. So and I didn't record this part, but once you get all the way up to the top, you just set a piece of hair to the side and use that to wrap around your base a few times, and you spray it with some Got2b spray and blow dry it on cool, and then you're all good to go. I think I only used about 1.5 bundles for this hairstyle. It was super cute. I just felt like a pretty princess, and I loved it so much. Y'all gonna see some videos and pictures in the next clip. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what videos y'all want to see next.
Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more head than the tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah, yeah, yeah.